It is March 7th, 2021, and here's my Bryant unit running. This is the first time it's ran this year. (2014) 2-ton. It is currently 61 degrees out right now. It's a little warm for March. And I thought I'd do a startup and shut down since it's about 61 out. It's just going to be running for this day. Since it's warm enough, I just wanted to get a start of it for the year. I most likely won't be running this regularly until like May or something. Suction eye is cold. Pretty quiet. Anyways, I'm gonna go turn this off now. Here's the unit off. Copeland scroll compressor. Yeah, I'm surprised it actually got this warm here at this time of the year. I mean, there's still snow on the ground. Nice unit. Anyways, thanks for watching.